everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a fish pie. Look how satisfying it is. Wow! With broccoli. Let's start. Here we have some salmon and prawn. Two potatoes. Now in the saucepan, add in the salmon or just dump it in. Add a bay leaf, just one. Then add in the water. You can also add some milk, but I'm allergic to fish with milk. Then dump in some butter. Cover it and simmer for around 3 minutes. Then prepare the potato. Peel the skin, wash the potato, and cut into small pieces. Prepare the water for the potatoes. Add some prawn to the salmon. Cover it. Turn off the gas. Add the potatoes until soft. Put the prawns and the salmon in a dish. Take out the salmon skin and cut into small pieces. And save some for fish cakes. Pour the salmon stock in the bowl. Then set aside. In the saucepan, melt the butter. Then add the flour. Cook the flour for a few minutes. Then add the salmon stock or milk. Then mix well. Then slowly add the stock. Until it's creamy and smooth. It must be at low heat. Keep mixing. If it's a creamy texture, you can add some cheese if you want. Then pour on the dish. Add some vegetables. Then mix it. Drain the potato and add some butter. Season with salt and pepper. Then mash the potatoes. Then put on top of the mixture. Use a fork to spread it evenly. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees. Bake for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Prepare the broccoli. Now it's ready. Take a big scoop and serve it on a plate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye and bon appetit.